We are continuing exercise 17C. Now we are doing question number 25. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Angle DAE is equal to 70 degree. Find, giving suitable reasons, the measure of first one angle BCD, second one angle BOD, third angle OBD. Given DAE is equal to 70 degree. If we are considering the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, DAE is the exterior angle. We know exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to opposite interior angle. So which is the opposite interior angle? It is BCD. So this is the opposite interior angle. Since DAE is equal to 70 degree, we can write BCD is equal to 70 degree. Reason is what? Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to opposite interior angles. That's the reason you should write there. Next one is angle BOD. Look at BOD. BCD we got it as 70 degree. BOD is the central angle. BOD is the central angle. So BOD will be 2 times angle BCD. We got BCD as 70 degree. So BOD will be 2 into 70, which is equal to 40 degree. Reason is angle at the center of the circle is double the angle at the circumference. Then next third one we want to find out angle OBD. For that, consider triangle OBD. We want to find out OBD, this angle we want to find out. For that we are considering OBD, triangle OBD. Since OB and OD are the radius of the circle, angle opposite to that particular side, that is radius, will be equal. That is, this angle B will be equal to angle D. That is, OBD will be equal to ODB. These two angles will be equal. So, sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So, we can write angle BOD, this angle, plus OBD, this angle, plus ODB, this one, will be 180 degree. So, BOD we know, we can replace it as 140 degree. Now, we discuss what, since OB and OD are the radius, angle opposite to that particular side will be equal. So, instead of ODB, we can write it as OBD itself. Instead of ODB, we can write this angle as B itself. So, OBD plus OBD is equal to 180 degree. So, OBD plus OBD is 2OBD is equal to 2OBD is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degree. So, OBD is equal to 40 divided by 2, which is equal to 20 degree. Thank you all of you.